On a rainy Wednesday morning, that's the day that I was born in that old sharecropper's one-room country shack. They say my mammy left me the same day that she had me. Said she hit the road and never once looked back. Well, I just thought I'd mention that my grandma's old age pension is the reason why I'm standing here today. Got all my country learning, milking and churning, picking cotton, raising hell, baling hay. I've been to Georgia on a fast train, honey. I wasn't born no yesterday. Got a good Christian raising and an 8th grade education. Ain't no needin' y'all treating me this way. Well, sweet Caroline, I don't think I'll ever find another woman put together like you are. Your wiggle and your walking and your big city talking and your brand new shiny Plymouth ragtop car. Well, it's hurry up and wait in this world of give and take. Seems like hasten makes ways every time. Well, I pray to my soul when you hear those ages roll. You better know I'm gonna get my share of mine. I've been to Georgia on a fast train, honey. I wasn't born no yesterday. Got a good Christian raising and an 8th grade education. Ain't no need y'all treating me this way. I've been to Georgia on a fast train, honey. I wasn't born no yesterday. Got a good Christian raising and an 8th grade education. Ain't no need y'all treating me this way. Ain't no need y'all treating me this way.